Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So as you know that the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out on different devices. First of all, it was released for the Galaxy S25, now it is released for the S24, and finally now it is rolling for the Galaxy S23 series. If you are a better user of the OneUi 8 on your Galaxy S23 Ultra, so you might have already got the stable update. From Tarun Wards on Twitter, it is official that the OneUi 8 stable update is now available to install in Europe. While the other countries will also get the update very soon. To update it, simply go into the setting, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. And from here you will get to see the new OneUi 8 and the Android 16 update. And if you talk about the update size, so the update size will be around 3 GB with the September 1st 2025 security patch level. And if you ask that what new changes are available with the OneUi 8 update, so there are no as such UI changes or the new app icons like there were before in the OneUi 7 update. There are only limited changes and enhancements to the already existing AI features. There's a UI change available in the weather app, and the new weather app is looking really good. Also, if you own a Samsung Galaxy A54 or the Galaxy A34, so the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out for these models as well. Let me know in the comment section that have you got the OneUi 8 update on these models or not yet. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you that the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Do let me know in the comment section that when you get the update, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.